Hello.
Do it again.
Let me at that camera. Let me at that camera.